Greetings and welcome back to PinballHelp. This is Mike here. I am working on this attack from Mars, trying to figure out the switch matrix problem. We had a number of switches firing. I had tracked it down onto this thing and I started going through the different switches marked on the switch matrix. And I think I discovered what the problem was. The reason why the switch was firing wasn't because anything was broken. It was because, let's see if I can get the camera down here so you can see. Okay, see right there. This is the switch for the pop bumper. You see how there's one leaf here and then there's another leaf there? Well, the larger leaf was actually bent and it was touching this leaf. So these two leaves were actually touching each other intermittently and it was causing the thing to fire. So basically all I did was I just took this back leaf here and I bent it back out of the way and made sure these two things weren't touching each other. I did check the diodes without cutting them off just to check to see if there was any shorts, and everything seemed to be okay there. So once I bent that tab back, everything started working. So I think I solved that problem. I have another problem. This is the underside and this is the drop target switch assembly. Right here, this coil fires to set the drop target up in front of the saucer. And when it drops down, it's supposed to hit this little leaf switch here. The problem is the leaf switch was not registering. The reason is because one of the little plastic nubs here has kind of worn down, so the hinge on which it pivots wasn't working. I moved it up one spot, but that won't work. So this is not gonna this whole switch is gonna need to be replaced. So luckily I've got a second switch. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to see, this is not gonna work. It doesn't pop back up. So I am going to fix that, try to replace it. I'll be playing around with that. So let's see how that turns out.